Observe the masses and do the opposite is always good advice. Generally, when you see the crowd all going in one direction, thinking they're doing the same thing, that's not where you find success. Great success has always been from breaking with the pack and busting out from the crowd a bit. And for example, this is the Temple of Borobudur in Indonesia, on the island of Java. And it's huge, it's massive, and it's a really cool place. However, in the last 20 minutes, everybody has shown up, and busloads of people and school children, and it's getting noisy, and the peacefulness that I had this morning is gone. And that is kind of unfortunate, because it was really nice and peaceful in the morning. So basically, I took that to heart and did the opposite. So came very early, crack of dawn, and I hate mornings, but it was worth it because the sunrise was fabulous. And at the same time, I had to hop the fence to get in because it wasn't quite open yet, but it was absolutely gorgeous and peaceful and quiet and wonderful, and quite a different experience than now when the herds of humanity are everywhere. Like I say, it's noisy, school children running around. So it's no different in business. It's observe the masses and do the opposite. Your best success is going to come from building a business, being an entrepreneur, and understanding how to produce wealth, how to produce income on your own through the power of what you create, rather than what other people say to do. Because what do other people do? They're stuck in a 9-to-5 job. If you like your job, that's great. If you don't, well, there's other ways out of it. There's ways around it that make a lot of sense. And that's what you need to be thinking about, is do you want to follow the crowd? Do you want to be part of the herd and just mind-numbingly work a 9-to-5 job and be kind of, let the dream be squashed and not feel that excited about it, not feel excited to get out of bed in the morning and live your life? It makes a big difference. And so look at what the crowds are doing and do the opposite. And the crowds are worried about the economy, and the crowds are worried about their job and worried about working 9-to-5. The crowds put in the 40 hours a week. And what it's going to be instead for you is to break with the crowd and to not be stuck with doing what everyone else does. You can be special, you can be different, you simply have to choose to do it. If that's something you're interested in, if you're ready and you want to choose a different lifestyle, you want to choose to be an entrepreneur, you want to choose to build a business and finally start making some real money, then you need to talk to me. That's exactly what we do at Traction Real Estate Mentors. We take you from spinning your wheels to doing profitable deals, profitable real estate transactions. You will get massive, massive value out of this. You're going to leave this call knowing what it's going to take, and knowing what it's going to take for you to finally break free and finally start living the life that you want, that you deserve, and having the income to support it, and be able to go places you want to go. This is Indonesia, somewhere I've wanted to go. I've wanted to see these temples, done these kinds of temples before in different countries, and continuing on that quest. What are you passionate about? I'm passionate about travel, and travel photography, and food, and eating while traveling. What are you passionate about? For you, it might be a little bit different, and that's fine. Everyone has their likes and has their desires. You need to identify what it is for you. That way you can use that as your reason why, and that's going to pull you through and push you to do everything that it takes to get the job done, build that business, and start living the life that you've wanted for a very long time.